Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. The topic today we discuss is about animal cell versus plant cells. As you know that animal cell and plant cell both have mitochondria, vacuole, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Animal cell is first of all the cell. The cell is the fundamental unit of life. All the life activities are carried out by cell. Okay, animal cell ranges 10 to 30 micrometers, but plant cell ranges 10 to 100 micrometers. In next class, we discuss about the main differences between plant cell and versus animal cell. Plant cell. Plant cell have chloroplast, cell wall, one large central vacuole. Nucleus is usually pushed to the side, rectangular shape. An animal cell nucleus is usually in the center, rounded shape, many small vacuoles, no cell wall. Okay, here arises a question, why is the nucleus called the control center of the cell? And the third part of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 part, which you can see that nucleus present and lies on one side of the cell. An animal cell present and lies in the center of the cell, nucleus. Nucleus contains the genetic information which in turn controls everything that goes on in the cell. Understand my point? Okay. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm in animal cell and in plant cell. Cytoplasm both present. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance which is fluid, and this is where chemical reaction in the cell takes place. Which organelle are present only in plant cell and absent in animal cell? Plastids. Plastids. Previous my video tutorial you can see that plastids पे मैंने पूरी explanation दी है. Last video tutorial आप देखिएगा. तो एनिमल सेल में प्लास्टिड नहीं होता, बट जो ऑर्गेनेली है प्लांट सेल में प्लास्टिड प्रेजेंट है. वन डिफरेंस. सेकेंड, हाउ डू प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल डिफर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू देयर शेप? आप प्लांट सेल की जो है वो स्क्वायर शेप में होगी, स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में. एनिमल सेल की माय डियर इरेगुलर होगी और राउंड शेप होगी. In this picture you can see that this is the picture of the plant cell, first one, and this one is the animal cell. In plant cell, chloroplast present, cell wall present, one large central vacuole present, nucleus is usually pushed to the side or rectangular shape. You can see this, the shape of the plant cell is in the rectangular shape. But my dear, animal cell में हमारे पास कौन सी shape होगी? Rounded shape. Nucleus is usually in the center. This one. Many small vacuoles and no cell wall. Remember this. Animal cell have no cell wall. Plant cell have cell wall. Plant cell have chloroplast. Plant cell have vacuole. Three main differences. I hope you can understand this presentation and today's video. Any question you may ask freely. Allah Hafiz.